Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to permanently delete your Snapchat account, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to tap your profile at the top left corner. And once you're on your profile, next, go to Settings. And here in Settings, I want you to scroll down until you find the Help Center option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And here in the Help Center, I want you to tap the search bar and then you will be able to see the Delete Account option. Just go and tap it. And after that, you will then be directed to the page where Snapchat will show you the steps to delete your account. So these are the steps for the Android, and this one is for iPhone. So since I'm using an Android, these are the steps I will follow. So according to the instructions, the first step is to go to the Snapchat Accounts portal, so just tap this link to do it. And after that, you will now be directed to the portal, so just log in your Snapchat account to continue. And after logging into your account in the portal, you will now be able to see the Delete Account option right here. Just go and tap it. And after that, you will need to enter your login information again right here. This will make Snapchat know that it's really you who's trying to delete your account. And once you're done entering your login information, finally, for the last step, tap Continue to completely delete your account. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Snapchat account will now be finally deleted. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.